Hello, beautiful. Today I'm so much more happier and excited to talk to you because I just came back from vacation. It was somewhat hectic but mostly super relaxing. Thanks for asking. I feel like Dora the Explorer now talking to myself on camera. I wish I could have real conversation with you guys. Can you please use the comment section? Love ya. So let's kick off the beauty maintenance routine by dry brushing the body. Dry brushing is a natural way of exfoliating, and guess what? It's not a time-consuming chore at all. Simply grab your trusty body brush and dance it along your skin in gentle circular motions for just about 5 minutes. With each gentle circular motion, you're whisking away dead skin cells like a magical spell, leaving behind nothing but a smooth and a velvety canvas. Once that's done, I like to use a body scrub. Because when we dry brush, the dead skin gets uplifted or loosened, so scrubbing the body helps get rid of that. My go-to body scrub is the Love Beauty and Planet Exfoliating Coffee and Warm Vanilla Body Scrub. Scoop out a generous dollop of this scrumptious scrub and let its aromatic goodness awaken your senses. As you massage it onto your damp skin, don't forget to give extra attention to those rough patches like elbows, knees, and the ever so needy feet and heels. Trust me, they'll thank you later. Formulated with natural exfoliants like pomegranate seeds, it effortlessly sweeps away dead skin cells and gives your pores a thorough cleansing. Plus, the magic doesn't stop there. Thanks to the nourishing power of shea butter, your skin won't feel dry or stripped after the scrubbing session. Now, while the body scrub exfoliates and removes dead skin cells, it may leave behind some scrub particles or oils on your skin. Here's where I'm going to use the Love Beauty and Planet Coffee and Warm Vanilla Sulfate-Free Body Wash. Squeeze out a dollop-sized burst of this goodness onto your loofah and let the magic unfold. As you slather on this body wash, imagine yourself surrounded by a heavenly scent of freshly brewed coffee and the warm embrace of vanilla goodness. It's like a cafe rendezvous right in your bedroom. This body wash is not just about the aroma. It's got a secret weapon: organic coconut oil that leaves it supple, smooth, and seriously moisturized. Now that I'm done with my body maintenance routine, I'll go ahead and start with the cleansing of my face skin, for which I'm using my trusted Simple Protect and Glow Vitamin C Facial Wash. Now this face wash has a winning combo of vitamin C and niacinamide that work their magic on the skin. Vitamin C swoops in to decrease melanin production, while niacinamide puts a stop to the spread of melanin, resulting in a brighter and a more fabulous complexion. This cleanser is infused with yuzu lemon, the ultimate collagen booster. Apart from imparting skincare benefits, this face wash thoroughly washes away any makeup, dirt, and other impurities, leaving your skin feeling clean, fresh, and glowing. Next, since it's monsoon, it's like the bacteria time to shine. But guess what? I got a secret weapon up my sleeves. A good old facial scrub, which is the Pond's Pure Detox Face Gel Scrub. But wait, hold up. Before we go all scrub crazy, make sure your skin is damp and ready to roll. We don't want any irritated skin surprises, right? This stuff is like a superhero squad for your face. It's infused with activated charcoal that's on a mission to suck up all the tiny pesky materials that think they can hide in your precious pores and cause trouble. After rinsing the scrub, it's time to move on to the next step: face shaving. For this, I prefer using an eyebrow razor. Now, don't let the name fool you. These handy tools aren't just to shape your brows. In fact, they are the go-to choice for at-home face shaving. Why? Well, they're incredibly user-friendly and safe. These razors feature a single stainless steel blade and a long handle, making it a breeze to navigate those tricky contours on the face. Now let's get ready for the big reveal. Ta-da! All that unwanted fuzz is gone, baby. Look at that face. So smooth and soft, you won't resist touching it. Also guys, if you want to see a detailed video on how to shave the face, then tap on the icon on the top right. Moving on with my routine, I'm about to apply a clay mask after shaving my face because when you shave, your pores can open up and your skin might become more sensitive. Clay masks will help minimize the appearance of pores, soothe any potential redness or irritation, and give your skin a refreshing boost. I have tried a ton of face masks, but what really suited my skin is this Simple Protect and Glow Vitamin C Brighten Clay Mask. Just apply it all over your face and let the powerful blend of vitamin C, niacinamide, yuzu lemon, ginger, and bentonite clay work their magic. This mask removes impurities, unclogs pores, and leaves your skin with a healthy glow. Now it's time to step out of the shower and give my body some well-deserved TLC. Cleansing and exfoliating are key to keeping my skin healthy and glowing. But here's the thing. If you don't hydrate it properly, dryness can become a real issue. And trust me, nobody wants dry, flaky, and uncomfortable skin. That's why I reach out for my Love Beauty and Planet Natural Coconut Water Hydrating Body Lotion. This body lotion is a game changer. It's like a refreshing drink for my skin. I slather it generously all over my body and it works its magic. The natural coconut water in it keeps my skin hydrated for a full 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right. 24 hours of moisture. No more worries about my skin feeling parched or dehydrated. Let's talk about the scent. It's infused with the delicate fragrance of fresh mimosa flowers. It's like an absolute delight for the senses. I can't help but take a moment to breathe in the heavenly aroma and let it transport me to a tropical paradise. After rinsing off that mask, it's time to level up the hydration game, my friend. Say hello to the ultimate skin treat. Simple Kind to Skin Rich Moisture Sheet Mask. This baby is soaked in a potent elixir of hydrating goodness that your skin will drink up like a thirsty plant in the desert. It has no harsh ingredients. In fact, all the good stuff like niacinamide that gives an even skin tone, vitamin E that nourishes the skin, and provitamin B5 that soothes the skin. Once I remove the mask, I like to use my gua sha. It helps depuff the face by promoting lymphatic drainage and gives your face a lift while strengthening and toning the fat underneath. Pro tip: when you're using your gua sha, remember to slightly glide it onto your skin and not tug your skin too much. So guys, that was my intense body care routine and I hoped it inspired you to get up and pamper your body a little. Remember to like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!